Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Open English Hub.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy to have you here today.
Mark, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very relaxed today.
Relaxed sounds nice. Why do you feel relaxed?
I had a slow morning, a cup of coffee, and no traffic at all.
Wow, that sounds like a perfect morning.
It really was. How about you, Anna?
I feel excited today.
Excited? That sounds serious.
It is serious because today's topic is something many English learners ask about.
Oh, now I'm interested.
Today, we're talking about how to train your brain to speak in English.
Train my brain? Like going to the gym?
Exactly. But don't worry, no heavy weights today.
Good. My brain doesn't like heavy weights at all.
Before we begin, let's ask our listeners something.
Yes, quick question for you.
When you want to speak English, what happens inside your head?
For me, I think in my own language first.
And then,
Then I translate in my head, and finally I speak.
slowly, right?
Very slowly. And it feels exhausting.
Yes, that's very common for English learners.
My brain feels busy, like too many tabs are open.
That's a perfect example. Translation makes your brain work too hard.
So, what's the goal then?
The goal is simple. Think directly in English.
No translation at all?
No translation. And don't worry, it's easier than it sounds.
Okay, I'm listening.
Let's move to tip number 1.
I'm ready.
Tip number 1 is thinking in small English sentences.
Small sentences, not grammar rules?
No grammar rules in your head, just simple, real sentences.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Right now, what are you doing?
I'm sitting.
Good. Say it in English in your head.
I am sitting.
Perfect. That's training your brain.
That feels easy, actually.
Exactly. Your brain likes easy things. Now, what do you see?
I see a desk.
Great. Say it again in English.
I see a desk.
This is how you build English thinking. Let's talk about daily life.
Okay.
In the morning, you can think, I wake up.
I am tired.
I need coffee.
I always need coffee.
Me too. When you go outside, think, it's hot.
It's raining.
I hear a car.
So my daily life becomes English.
Exactly. English connects to your life, not translation.
Now let's talk about a common mistake.
What mistake?
Many learners think English must be perfect.
Perfect grammar and perfect accent.
Yes, and that stops your brain from speaking.
So what should we do instead?
Be simple, be small, be real.
Tip number 2 is input.
English goes in, understanding.
Yes, listening and watching English.
What kind of English should learners listen to?
Easy English, slow and clear English.
Not fast movies yet?
Not at the beginning. Start simple. Watch videos about things you like.
Why things I like?
Because a happy brain learns faster.
That makes sense.
What do you like watching, Mark?
I love food videos.
Perfect choice. When you hear, I cut the onion, or I add salt, your brain connects words to actions.
No translation again.
Exactly.
Music is also great input.
Really?
Yes, especially simple songs with repetition.
Like love songs?
Yes, many times I love you.
My brain will remember that easily.
Repetition is powerful.
Now let's move to tip number 3.
Speaking, right?
Yes, output. English out.
But what if I'm alone?
That's okay. You are your first speaking partner.
So I should speak to myself?
Yes, in your room, in your car, even in the shower.
What should I say?
Describe what you see and what you do.
This is my room.
I see a chair.
The chair is brown.
Perfect. That's real speaking practice. At night, talk about your day.
Today I worked.
I ate lunch.
I watched a video.
Speaking is more important than writing at first.
But Anna, I make mistakes when I speak.
That's good.
Good?
Yes, mistakes mean your brain is learning.
So mistakes are teachers.
Exactly.
Practice a short time every day.
How long?
10 minutes is enough.
That sounds doable.
Let's review quickly.
Okay.
Tip 1. Think in small English sentences.
Tip 2. Input. Listen and watch Easy English.
Tip 3. Output. Speak, even when you're alone.
Your brain will change slowly.
But it will change.
Be patient with yourself.
And be kind to your brain.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
What is one small English sentence you can think right now?
Write it in the comments.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to Open English Hub.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.